तिमी एक दिन खुट्टा डुक्ने अर्को दिन गाली गर्ने ए हेलो के भइरहेछ ओ माय गॉड के भन्छ अब धेरैले भन्छ बुढाको खुट्टा ढोक्नु हुँदो रहेछ तिमी किन ढोक्छौ तिम्रो मर्जी म भिडियो राख्यो भने सबैले मलाई गाली गर्छ कि बुढीसँग खुट्टा नढोकाउनु तिमी एक दिन खुट्टा डुक्ने अर्को दिन गाली गर्ने
त्यो पनि आफ्नो चोइस हो
ओ माय गॉड त यो के हो पूजा मनले हुन्छ कि के छ
ऑल डिपेंड्स अन फेथ जुन दिन फेथ हुन्छ विश्वास लाग्छ त्यो दिन ढोग्ने जुन दिन विश्वास हुन्छ त्यो दिन गाली गर्ने
Oh my God, this is called emotional turbulence. How to cope with this emotional turbulence?
You should go with flow.
Going with flow means you should be emotional triggered and just enjoying life.
It's like a wave, sometimes up, sometimes.
But do you think in between us some changes has been there that have made our relationship more beautiful than previous that we got triggered in life?
It's self-control and self-belief and self-discipline and consistency. So you can add more.
Okay, means you need those words from my mouth.
Yeah, you can also contribute. Then only pair can do best. 50% me, 50% you.
No. Speaking only doesn't matter. Okay? But yes, behavioral is the first. But how practically this matters in everyone's life.
It depends on everyone's own perception.
Yes. Own emotional state. How the relationship have the emotional state between them. Yes or no? Okay, thank you so much. Anniversary को दिन यस्तो ज्ञानहरू बाटेर होइन मस्ती गर्दै होइन खुट्टामा यसो ब्यान्डेज लगाउँदै अनि चिल भइरहेको थियो क्या